This chart represents the price of Bitcoin, BTC, against the US dollar, USD, over a weekly time frame, as shown on TradingView. Let's break it down. Key components. 1. Price action, top section. The candlestick chart shows Bitcoin's price fluctuations. The current price, as of the latest candle, is $65,607.70, up $2,762.40, which is plus 4.40%. 2 moving averages, EMA, exponential moving averages. 50-period EMA, blue, currently at $56,068.32, indicating an overall upward trend as the price is above this line. 100-period EMA, purple, currently at $47,707.34, serving as a longer-term support level and still rising. 2. MACD, moving average convergence divergence. The MACD line, orange, is at $6,598.27, and the signal line, blue, is at $5,872.10. This shows a bullish crossover where the MACD line is above the signal line, suggesting a possible bullish momentum is building. However, there is still some bearish divergence, shown by red bars in the histogram indicating caution. The RSI is at 55.76, slightly above neutral, which is 50, suggesting that Bitcoin is neither overbought nor oversold. This indicates moderate momentum and no strong buying or selling pressure. This indicator is at negative 20.97, which is near the overbought zone, but not quite there yet. When the Williams %R is near negative 20, it suggests that Bitcoin could be close to a potential top before a short-term pullback. General trend. Bitcoin has been trending upwards since mid-2023 after a long period of consolidation. The recent break above both the 50 and 100-period EMAs suggests continued bullish sentiment. MACD. A bullish crossover shows momentum, but caution is warranted because of a potentially weak bullish trend. RSI. The RSI's current value near 55 is neutral to slightly bullish, suggesting moderate buying pressure. Williams %R near overbought territory, but not yet at extreme levels. Current event affecting price. Several events could explain the recent surge in Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin ETF approval speculation. There's ongoing speculation about the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US, which has historically been a bullish catalyst, as it could open up Bitcoin to institutional investors. Global economic uncertainty. Bitcoin is often viewed as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Ongoing macroeconomic concerns, such as inflation, interest rate decisions by central banks, and geopolitical tensions, might be driving demand for Bitcoin. Adoption and use cases. Bitcoin's growing adoption by institutional investors, alongside increasing interest from retail investors, continues to push demand, particularly as crypto and decentralized finance, or DeFi, gain more mainstream attention. In summary, Bitcoin's price is experiencing bullish momentum with some caution indicated by technical indicators. Events like ETF approval speculation and global economic factors are influencing this rise. Key components. Price action, top section. The current VIX reading is 19.70, down by 0.76 points, which is a decrease of 3.71%. Historically, readings above 20 indicate increased market volatility, while values below 20 suggest calmer market conditions. The 2 moving averages, 50-period EMA, in blue, is currently at 16.10, showing that the VIX has been trending below this line recently, but moved back up near this level. 100-period EMA, in purple, is currently at 16.91, similarly acting as a potential resistance or support level, suggesting a slight increase in volatility in recent weeks. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is at 0.49, and the signal line is also at 0.49, indicating no clear momentum. The histogram shows very small bars, suggesting a lack of strong momentum in either direction. The MACD has recently turned slightly positive, suggesting there could be some increase in volatility. RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is at 55.98, which is slightly above neutral. This indicates the VIX is neither oversold nor overbought, suggesting that the market is experiencing relatively balanced volatility without extreme fear or complacency. Williams present R is at negative 83.52, indicating that the VIX is in oversold territory. Historically, when the Williams percent R drops below negative 80, it suggests that a potential reversal or increase in volatility may occur soon. Trend summary. The VIX has been trending downward since its spike in early 2020, which was associated with the COVID-19 panic. The index has since returned to more normalized levels, hovering around the 15 to 20 range for most of 2022 and 2023. The slight uptick recently suggests that market volatility is increasing slightly, but remains within historically normal bounds. The flat MACD shows that volatility remains low, with little momentum driving it higher or lower. The RSI is neutral to slightly positive, reflecting the absence of extreme volatility. This indicator suggests that we could see an increase in volatility soon, as it is oversold. Current event affecting VIX. The slight uptick in VIX could be due to uncertainty surrounding global economic conditions, including concerns over inflation, interest rate hikes, and slowing economic growth. These factors often lead to increased volatility as investors become more cautious. Events such as conflicts or trade tensions can drive fear in the markets, leading to short-term spikes in the VIX. The VIX can rise in anticipation of major earnings reports, particularly if the market expects significant volatility in company performance. As markets digest the Fed's monetary policy, especially around interest rates, any indication of uncertainty or further tightening can trigger volatility. In summary, while the VIX is currently at a normal level of around 19 to 20, technical indicators like Williams percent R suggest a potential increase in volatility. This could be due to a combination of global economic concerns, earnings season, and central bank actions. The price of Ethereum is currently $2,603.84, up $136.17, which is a 5.52% increase in the latest week. Two moving averages, the 50-period EMA, which is the blue line, is currently at $2,722.17, serving as immediate resistance since the price is still below this line. And then there's the 100-period EMA, the purple line, at $2,486.47, indicating a stronger support level. The price is just above it, showing that Ethereum is finding support around this area. The MACD line, which is orange, is at 24.66, while the signal line, which is blue, is at 118.59, indicating a bearish crossover. This suggests that the recent momentum is still somewhat bearish, but the smaller distance between the lines could mean momentum is beginning to shift. The histogram is negative, but the decreasing red bars show that selling pressure may be diminishing. The RSI is currently at 46.14, which is slightly below the neutral 50 mark. This indicates weak momentum, with the market slightly leaning towards bearish sentiment. However, RSI is moving closer to neutral, hinting that buying interest might be returning. The Williams %R is at negative 66.29, signaling that Ethereum is in a neutral to oversold range. This indicator suggests Ethereum is not yet overbought, and there could be room for upward price movement. General trend. Ethereum has been in a downtrend since reaching highs around $4,000 in late 2021. Since mid-2023, it has been in a consolidation phase, moving mostly sideways with some attempts to recover. It is currently testing the support of the 100-period EMA, and there are signs that it might be entering a potential recovery phase. The MACD. The bearish crossover indicates caution, though the momentum is not aggressively bearish. The RSI. The RSI suggests weak momentum, but as it approaches neutral levels, it may reflect improving market conditions. The Williams %R. This is in a relatively neutral to oversold state, suggesting that there may be an opportunity for a price reversal or upward movement. Summary of price trend. Short term. Ethereum is attempting a recovery after finding support near the 100-period EMA. The RSI and Williams %R suggest weak bearish momentum, but with the possibility of reversal soon. Midterm. The moving averages and MACD indicate a broader period of consolidation. Ethereum needs to decisively break above the 50-period EMA at $2,722 for a clearer sign of bullish continuation. Long term. The longer-term trend has been bearish since 2022, with signs of a potential recovery. A break above resistance would indicate stronger upward movement. In summary, Ethereum is in a consolidation phase with some short-term bullish momentum emerging, although broader indicators still suggest caution. It will be important to watch whether ETH can break above the 50-period EMA to confirm a potential bullish trend reversal.